Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
Then the Lord personally entered the city, accompanied by elderly relatives and invalid Brahmins with their wives, all offering benedictions and singing the glories of the Lord. Others also praised the glories of the Lord. The Brahmins in society were never attentive to banking money for future retired life. When they were old invalids, they used to approach the assembly of the kings, and simply by praising the glorious deeds performed by the kings, along with their wives, they would be provided with all necessities of life. Such Brahmins were not, so to speak, flatterers of the kings, but the kings were actually glorified by their actions, and they were sincerely still more encouraged in pious acts by such Brahmins in a dignified way. Lord Sri Krishna is worthy of all glories, and the praying Brahmins and others were glorified themselves by chanting the glories of the Lord.